What a glorious November morning. And the birds are out singing away. And here we have a tree that's shaking its leaves. It's all good. So do your best every day to just get out in nature and listen and feel the beautiful energies that nature has for us. Connect with the creatures, play, enjoy your day. Take in that sun, or even if it's cloudy, it's all good. Nature wants to keep teaching us stuff, so it's up to us to listen and to take care of that as well. So again, just get out, breathe, take a stroll, gratitude, all this beautiful scenery around and before us. De-stress a little bit. It's all good. And with that, have a great day.